Hello guys, very good evening. Welcome to my Salesforce solution channel. So today I am going to teach you the coding part. Means it is related to triggers, and most of the interviewers ask about the trigger scenario, and we have to write down the triggers. So mostly asked triggers scenario. So today I'm going to teach you mostly asked trigger scenario. So the scenario is that prevent the account from deletion if it has a more than two contacts. Means we have to prevent the account from deletion if it has a more than two contacts. If it has already two contacts present on that particular account, then only if it has more than two contacts, then we cannot delete the account. So then let's go. Logging my Salesforce org. Let's log into my developer console. Okay, the scenario is this is an account, and if account has more than two related contacts, there is no contacts. So suppose test. Okay, if it has a more than two contacts, means this test account has three contacts. Okay, so whenever I'm going to delete this account, then not mm, it will not me to it will not allow me to delete the account because it has more than two contacts. It has already three contacts. So then go to the developer console. The best practice of the writing the trigger, always use the trigger handler class. First, first I have to see if there is if there is trigger is present or not. I created it or not. Okay, and it is active trigger. Okay, let's save. Open the trigger, count trigger, then account handler. Okay, so here I am going to use this trigger. Okay, scenario is prevent the count from deletion if it has more than two contacts. Okay, let's start then. Okay, so generally we check if the trigger is coming inside the before event or the after. So actually we are in before triggers, we are generally update the fields on the same object, or we can validate the we can show the error message on the same object. So generally we use the before trigger for that. So in that case we are using the before trigger. So which event we are using? We want to prevent the account from deletion, so that's why we are using the before delete operation, before delete event here. Okay, let's first write down the uh, events. If trigger dot before and trigger dot is delete. So here okay, we don't write the method name. Let's start then. We have to write first method public static void. Name this method prevent count from deletion. What's going to wrong here? Okay, class. Okay. Public static wise prevent account deletion. So what are the context variable present inside the before delete event? The context variable present inside the before delete event is only trigger.old and trigger.old map. So we have to call the trigger by using the class name dot method name. Then here we are using the context variable trigger dot old. We want only trigger dot old. Don't need to trigger dot old map. So here it is using the stop count and name the old counts. So guys, here we want those records which is already present inside the accounts. So for that we are using the set collection set of id. Okay, then suppose we want to collect the IDs. Okay, so we're using the for loop here. Let's save. Okay, using the for loop for account variable name here we are retreating the old accounts. Okay, so for that I want to collect the IDs. I want to add the IDs of the accounts. So for that I am using here set of collection. It is already it adds the unique IDs. SSID dot add, then we are adding the IDs of accounts dot ID. Okay. Okay. So after here we are fetching, we want to fetch those records, those accounts which is related to the contacts. So here we are using the parent to child query. Okay, so for that we are using the parent for fetching the records of the accounts related to that contacts. So for that we are using the map here, map of ID count account with contacts equals to new map of ID and count. Okay. Okay, so here we are writing the parent to child query. Then first select ID. Okay. Then we are using the parent. Then we are writing the child query. Select ID, account ID. From contacts. Here from count, and here we are matching the IDs of accounts from account where ID and SSC IDs. Okay, good. Then here we write the contacts, because contacts it's a API name where we are fetching the child relationship name, API name. So for that we have to write the contacts here rather than contact. Okay, so here again I am iterating the for loop on the old accounts. Sorry, contact on the count. So here now I'm checking if if this map dot get contains dot get dot id. Here we are checking the contacts of that particular editor. Dot contacts dot size. If it's greater than 2, then we want to show the error message. Okay, good. We want to show the error message here. If the contacts if the contacts related to the account related to that account is more, then we want to show the error message. Dot add error method. You can not delete the account and has more than 2 contacts. Okay, to shift Control S. Okay, then let's do our trigger is ready. Here also trigger is ready. Let's check the triggers. Okay, suppose the test contact has, okay, the already this account has more than 2 contacts, then I'm going to delete this account. Let's check it will show the error message or populate the error message or not. Oh, it is not showing the error message. Okay, let's go to the developer console. Alright, what do I have to check here? Context.size greater than 2. Okay, let's do one thing. And to do this, let's check. Let's create one by one contact and then check contact. and then delete this account. It will also delete it. Okay, let's again check. Okay, sorry guys, here I am missing the before statement here. Before I missed the before event here. Before delete event. Let's check them. Okay, it has a 6 plus contact, and I'm going to delete this account. Yes, you cannot delete the account because it has more than 2 contacts. Again, I'm going to another account. Okay, suppose it has on here I'm creating only 2 contacts. Con 2, con 3. Okay, so here I'm deleting this account, and it will automatically delete it because it has only 2 contacts. Okay, it's deleted, and again I'm going to create another account, and I'm going to create one more contact here. Con 2. Okay, and save. And it has a 3 contacts, and it will show the error message. You cannot delete the account because it has more than 2 contacts. Okay, so like this way you can write down the trigger of related contacts. Write down the trigger of like this way you can write down the trigger of preventing the account deletion from prevent the account from deletion if it has a more than 2 contacts. Okay, you can write down this way. There is another way also, only we but it is the better way to write down the trigger for before delete operation here. I hope so guys, you will get the proper proper explanation, proper answer about this question. So so please let me know if it is a if you will get the better solution, and please subscribe my channel, and okay, then bye bye, have a good day.